That's all right.
Why we look like Barney? Girl! Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Shan.
What's up you guys? I'm Kamora.
And today, by the title, as you can already see, we're going to show you how to style curly hair 10 different ways.
Yes, indeed. As I was saying, my straight girls got all this tape-ins, clip-ins, and I love that for y'all. But we're here to showcase the curly hair, 10 different styles that you guys can utilize throughout your week, your month, on your date night, however you feel.
Oh,
so
come on, baby.
We're gonna be showing you all these different hairstyles, and I hope you guys like it. And if you do love them, if you do the hairstyles, please comment and let us know. And of course, follow us on our Instagram, our social media platforms. We're always updating you guys now with new videos about hair, beauty, X, Y, and Z.
A whole lot of different content. I'm coming up with 5 ideas to how to style this hair. She's coming up with her own 5. And y'all just let us know which one you guys are rocking with. And let us know if you try them. If you do try them, post it on social media and tag us down below.
Please do. All right, let's go.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night.
And that's it.
And that is our 10 different hairstyles, you guys. Again, utilize them. I feel like each of them have their own unique mood to the day. I definitely use all of my hairstyles whenever, you know, when I want to be cute and put a little effort into my curly hair.
This one right here is my go-to though.
Yeah,
I
that's
love
the
a
best one.
slick ponytail, just getting
Get
it
it
out
in
of
your
your
face.
face. That's what it is. It's like a,
So, show my little cheekbones, my little, yeah, I love that one too.
you know.
There was a vibe. But thank you guys for watching and for tuning in. Again, follow us in our social medias. I'll link everything down in the description box. And we love you. And like always, love and light.
And don't forget to comment what hairstyle you're gonna try next.
Definitely.
We definitely want to see the pictures.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.